New on Daybreak, children with autism can now receive a range of new services and support here in Central Indiana.
Yeah, it's part of this whole new partnership. It's between Anthem and Easter Seals Crossroads. 24 Hour News 8's Julia Dang spoke with their director as well as parents. And you have details now, and then one parent's special story, too.
That's right, Lauren. We talked to a mother who says she felt completely overwhelmed before enrolling her little boy in one of their programs. Now they're helping him and helping her better understand him. A little boy with big dreams.
I just got him a doctor kit the other day, and he says, "Mommy, I'm going to be a doctor."
Just 1 year ago, Donovan's mom, Sasha Bohannon, says he couldn't put those hopes and dreams into words.
Now he knows, what the stethoscope is, and he says, "Mommy, I'm going to take your temperature." If he wants to be a doctor, he can be a doctor.
One of his own doctors, Tracy Gale, can't help but smile when she talks about him.
Everyone smiles when they see him because he's so much fun.
But Sasha says it hasn't always been fun and games.
He would get so frustrated because I couldn't tell what he needed, and he couldn't tell me what he needed.
He was nonverbal and would often bang his head against the wall. That was before Dr. Gale diagnosed him last year.
She said, "Yes, your son has autism." And I busted out crying. Every mother would have done the same thing.
Not every mother has access to the type of autism program Donovan is now enrolled in.
He's been doing wonderfully.
Things that other families can take for granted are not necessarily the things that the families that we're serving in this program can take for granted.
Dr. Gale is working to help get more children the care they need. She's heading a new pilot program at Easter Seals.
Things that are really what seem to be very basic are really very challenging.
Imagine something as basic as back-to-school shopping.
One of the families that we've been working with, they wanted to work toward getting some school supplies as it's back to school time. And there are all kinds of school supply drives that happen around the city, but they didn't feel comfortable taking their child, who has some pretty significant behavioral outbursts, to the school supply drives. And so our care coordinator was able to help them locate a school supply drive that they could go to that would be quieter, that wouldn't be as overwhelming.
A key feature of all their programs is parent training classes.
You just got to stay by their side and support them. That's what I would tell any mother.
Or any parent of any child. Let them dream big.
They can do anything they want to do.
And that new program is only open to people between the ages of 3 and 22, covered by Anthem Insurance. It is a pilot program. For now, it's only set to run for 2 years. They haven't confirmed yet what they'll do after that or how many care coordinators per child they'll ultimately have. Look for more details online at wishtv.com.
Okay, Julia, thanks. It's 8:12 right